Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to continue about the Tech Freedom app. Which this is a fourth video for our YouTube channel. Sorry for that. For our YouTube channel regarding Tech Freedom. If you want to listen or view to the previous tutorials, you can view through the playlist link, which I will provide at the description below. So before we move to today's tutorial, let us do a small recap about the previous tutorials. First tutorial will be about the how to register this Tech Freedom app, and for those who new users of the app, or first time, let's say if you're using the app for the first time, you should do some registration or basic process, and you can view the video from the playlist link. Second video will be about the introduction of this app, also can known as the interface of this app, how the interface will look like. So we already had a look about that. And our third video will be about the features. What are the features which has been provided in this app, and how we can view all the features, where we can view all the features. So today, in this fourth video, we're going to look about the first feature of the Tech Freedom, which is app backup. So we're going to look about that. So without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial.
Home System Launcher.
Alright, I'm going to open the app.
Page 2 of 3. Page 3 of 3.
Before that, you can get the app from Play Store as well, but I wasn't sure that you can get this app from App Store or not. I wasn't sure about that. You can get the app from Play Store as well. I will provide the link at the description below. And for those who are new to this channel, this is Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel, we will provide technical related informations which will very useful for visually challenged community. So you can subscribe if you like this. And you also can turn on the notification bar to get our latest video without any delay. Okay, so now let's go.
Camera. Phone. Page in. Classroom. G2. Speaker. ETIL. Tech Freedom has one notification.
Alright, I'm going to click on it.
Tech Freedom.
Alright, and for those who new viewers for this video, kindly watch the previous tutorials first and come and you can watch this video, because then only you can get a proper understanding, deep understanding. For those who are continue listen to all these tutorials, so you can view without any hesitation as well. You can continue viewing. Okay, we already come to the app called Tech Freedom. Now let's click on the open navigation door.
Open navigation door button.
Here you go, and click on the feature category.
Tech Freedom IVI develop. Home checked. Features unchecked.
Here you go,
Tech Freedom.
and now we're going to look about first feature, which called as app backup.
App backup button.
Okay, click on here.
App backup.
Okay, I will give a quick explanation first about this. With this app backup, maybe some of you already know, maybe some of you all didn't know about this. So, for those who are new for this app backup feature, basically you can backup your apps and in your internal storage for your personal needs, or for your, in case you have uninstalled any apps and you want the app back, and you can install it, or you can get back the app from your from your internal storage. You don't need to ask others for the app, and you also can share your apps with your friends. Okay, now we're going to look. After I open these app backup apps, all apps which has in my mobile will be appear.
Features. App backup. More options button. Android. Android accessibility suite clone. Audio lab. Battery talker. Bookshelf.
Okay, these all are the apps that I have. It's a lot of apps actually. Okay,
Canva.
let's choose any one of them. And before that,
Android. More options button.
okay, here you have a more option. Let's click. If we click here,
Backup apps list.
backup apps list. So let's click. Let's click and see what will happen.
Pop apps.
Okay, it's show.
App backup. Backup apps. There is no app backed up already.
Okay, it's show that no apps backup already, which means you can see your app backup. Backup app. If you have backup your apps, I mean you can see what apps that you have already backup in your storage. So
App backup.
okay.
Android accessibility. Audio lab.
Okay, let's click here as the example.
App info.
Okay, if you click on any apps that you want to backup, you will be able to see the app info.
App backup. Back button. App info. App name.
App name.
Audio lab.
Okay,
App package name.
you can see the package name.
com.interlab.audio editor.
Alright, and you can see the app version.
App version. 1.2.997.
Okay, and then
Take backup button.
okay, if you swipe to your right, you will be able to see take backup. You also can share.
Share button.
If you click here, the Android system, or we also can say that all your platforms will be appear. Okay, let me show.
Android system.
Okay, it's already open, and my platforms or my social media appear here. You can share these apps in a APK format.
Drag new image. Audio lab underscore com.interlab.audio editor underscore 1.2.997.apk.
Alright, you can share.
Share via share button. Share files. Turn on button. WhatsApp.
You can share through WhatsApp, to WhatsApp,
Resolver item plus.
Telegram, or any other clients, and to any other social media that you have.
App info.
Also can share from here. If you want to backup
Take backup button.
on your internal storage, you should click this take a backup.
Audio lab is already backed up.
Audio lab is already backed up, which means the app already has been backed up to your storage. Now you successfully back up your app.
Share button. Open into Play Store button.
Okay, you could also can open into Play Store. Let's try.
Play Store.
Alright.
Image of app or game icon for Audio Lab audio editor recorder.
Yeah, if the apps has been provided from Play Store, you can open it and you can view it. Okay.
App info.
So now we already back up it.
App backup.
Now we can see, we can
Android access. Android. More options button.
click on the more option. Okay.
Backup apps list.
Backup apps list. Here you can view WhatsApp. What are the apps that you have already backup?
Pop apps.
Okay, we click here. It show.
App backup. Back apps. Audiolab underscore com.interlab.audio editor underscore 1.2.997.apk.
Okay, it show like this because I already has backup my Audiolab. That's why. Okay, before this, it show that no apps has been backup. Okay, so yes, this is how we can use this method. I will show you another example.
App backup.
Come on.
Android accessibility suite clone. Android.
Okay, let's back up Edgar.
App info.
Okay,
Open into play share button. Take backup button.
tag back. You also can share the app without taking any backups to your friends. Okay, let's take a backup.
Android is successfully backed up.
Okay, if you back up this second file, it will say advert the app, or it will announce the app name, and it's successfully back up. Okay,
Share button.
so you can come back.
App backup.
You can view the list.
More options button.
Click more options. Click on
Backup apps list.
backup apps list.
Pop apps.
Here you go.
Apps. Azure underscore com.azure.android underscore 4.0.65.apk. Audiolab underscore com.interlab.audio editor underscore 1.2.997.apk.
Cool, that's it. So these are the methods that how you can use this app backup feature in Tech Freedom. So
Base system launcher.
now I'm going to show you where the file was located
Page 2 of 3. Page 1 of 3.
on your internal storage. So let's open your file manager or files by Google or any other file manager which available on your device.
File manager.
Alright,
Category selected. Search. Phone storage 8.81 GB of 64.0 GB available.
okay, let's click.
File manager.
And the way it depends on your mobile, so take note on that. If you use iPhone, maybe it will iPhone or Android, and sometimes it will depends on your, it will have a difference according to your mobile brands, such as Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, and whatever else. Okay, so take note on that.
$recycle under point dot x1 item January
So you will find Tech Freedom folder.
Record. Movie. Pictures. Telegram. Tech Freedom 5 items March 2nd, 20.
Click on the Tech Freedom and
App backups 2 items April 9th, 2023.
okay, app backups. Click here. Then you will be able to find your apps which you have already backupped.
Azure underscore com.azure.android underscore 4.0.65.apk Azure 34.8 Audiolab underscore com.interlab.audio editor underscore 1.2.997. App backups.
Alright. Here is the backup list. You can find your backup apps from here. Okay.
Back button. File manager. System launcher. Audiolab. Back. IQ.
Alright. So we almost come to the end. So before we signing off, I would like to do a small recap. How you can backup your apps. Okay. First of all, open your Tech Freedom app and open your open navigation drawer and click on features category and click on app backup. And then after you click on your app backup, your apps list will be open or will be showing up. And click on any apps that you would like to backup. And then simply swipe to your right. You will find your app name, package name, app feature, app version of the app. And if you swipe to your right again, it will have a backup take backup button. If you click on that, the app will be back up to your internal storage. Or I I wouldn't want to backup the app. I only want to share the app. So you can click on share button, which will located on the right side of the take backup button. You can share. If you click on share button, your social media platforms will be appear, and you can continue share to any social media that you want. Or if you want to view the app from the Play Store, you can simply click on open app from the Play Store button, and it will located on the right side of the share button, and you can view the app from the Play Store if the downloaded app is from the Play Store. Alright, and you also can view the backup list at the interface of the backup app feature. Okay, so hope these tips and this tutorial will be helpful. If you want to join our community, if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link will be provided at the description box. If you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, you can let me know at the comment box. I will provide the link as well. Or you also can join our community through our Telegram channel. The link will be the Telegram group link will be has been provided at the Telegram channel group. Telegram channel link. If you want to join separately, you can let me know at the comment box. I will provide the link. So hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share and like and give your comments as usual. It will really encourage us to give more tutorials which will be useful for visually challenged community as well. So see you in the next tutorial. This is Jaya for Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel, signing off.